guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I could do something a little fun. I'm so excited. So I'm finally getting to use the Nomad Chicago Speakeasy palette. Here's the front cover. I think it's super cute. This came out, gosh, it was weeks ago. I don't know if it's been like 3 to 6 weeks. I don't know. I feel like I've had this palette for a while. I haven't been able to use it. It's so pretty. It's like velvet, and then it has this like shiny gold inlay in there. I don't know, but this is all velvet, so it's super neat. Super pretty palette. Here it is. I believe it is still available on their website. Oh, look at these colors. They are so pretty. So pretty. I think this palette was $56. Let me see. This one is $59 and it's still available, but you can always get it with use a coupon code. But oh my gosh, when I got it, I was so excited to use it and I just haven't had a chance. And then today is my husband and I's anniversary, and we were talking and we had this whole idea to dress up in like 1920s, like get up and go out and celebrate. So hence like all of this, like I'm really getting ready to go out. So that's the little caveat to the video, is because I am getting ready to go out, I'm going to actually do my eye makeup to go out for the day. So I'm not going to be able to do 2 different eye looks. So I'm kind of bummed about that because I really want to get into these purples over here. And that green is super pretty. But I think I'm going to end up staying over here in the browns, like the neutral tones, and probably do a halo eye. So anyhow, I'm super excited to use this. And if you want to see what I do, then just keep watching. Get y'all zoomed in. I'm so excited. We were looking at like different restaurants to like figure out where we were gonna go. I don't know. Super excited. My little headband here is from Amazon. Thank goodness for Amazon. I feel like I get everything on Amazon. Even these, hold on, let me back up. It's like my dress and everything came from Amazon. Hopefully at some point I'll get a nice picture today and then I'll be able to insert it into here. But anyway, I got these came with this, and then I have the pearl bracelet. It actually came with gloves, but I was like, we can't do all that. I can't be that authentic. And then I have a pearl necklace. So back to the makeup. So let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. So let's see. I could only imagine like what life was like back then. I bet those people are having so much fun. Ugh. So I think I'm gonna go in with this color first. It is, you know, is fairly soft, so I just dipped in there once. So just be careful, because you just don't want that mixing in with the other shades in the palette. Come out just a smidge. I don't know, I feel like I actually really like the mirror in here. I'm not sure how deep this is gonna be. So I'm just going to put this all from outer corner to inner corner on both eyes. Super pretty. 1920s makeup, really focused on smoky, black, purple, browns. So that one on really nice. It's a smidge patchy in how it's blending out, but I feel like a lot of colors have been like that lately. And then if you just stipple it on, then you get the coverage you want. That is super pretty. I really like that. Blended out nicely, like overall. So this eye, I just stippled it on and then blended it out. I really like the color. So let's see. I think I just want to go in with that center shade just so I can see what it's going to look like, and then I can kind of figure out which color I want to use on the inner and outer corner. So I'm going to go in with, I'm not even going to pretend that I know how to say these names. So I'm just going to go in. I'm going to go in with this color. It does have a bit of a shift. It looks like it has a green shift, so I hope it's not too intense because I don't want to look like I have on green. I don't know. I hope I'm not regretting this decision. But let's see. Okay, good. That is like a nice deep burnt goldish orange. It is pretty. I'm not so sure. Let me pick it up with my finger. I don't know if I'm feeling how that's applying with the brush. There we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that on both eyes. So I like to get a nice base down when I put it on with my finger, and then I can go back in with the brush and build it up to how I want it. And then I think I'm actually going to get that wet. I'm going to pick that up, and I'm just using this Hide and Sleek brush from Beauty Bay. I really like this collection. If I remember, I'll link that collection below if they still have it. There we go. I like the intensity of that. I think I'm going to go in, this one I could say the Drunken Goat. I think I'm going to opt for this darker color as opposed to the more reddish. You know what? Hold on. I take that back. I think I'm going to pick up a little bit of that reddish brown on the Windy City, and I think I'm just going to go around the edging of where I just put that color. Right along the edge. Just stipple it on, because then when I put on that darker color, it'll have a nice blend between the two. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just do that here. I'm going to clean that brush off, and now I'm going to go in with that Drunken Goat color, and I'm going to build that up on the inner and outer corner of each eye. Let's see. Yeah, see how it's got that transition? So I'm going to bring this up, and then I'm actually going to bring that color in to the crease. And I'm being very light-handed because I can build this up. But if you go in really heavy-handed at first, you're going to have to work really hard to blend it out. And I'm using this Blend Bunny B1 brush. Just a small, dense brush. I do like their brushes as well. I've actually bought 2 orders of the same brushes because I found myself using them. But just ever so lightly, I'm sculpting that shape out to come up and over. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. I'm going to go ahead and blend that. That first brush I used, no additional product, but just lightly rubbing over the edge to get a nice blend. And then I'm going to take that brush, that same brush, and I'm going to go underneath, but I'm going in with that Windy City color down here. Back in with that first brush. Get a nice overall blend. And then I'm going to take this little Morphe brush, and I'm going to pick up that center shade, and I'm going to get it wet. Ooh, I'm almost out of my Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. Almost there. And I'm going to put that, I'm going to tilt my head down and then get up under that eyelash and put this color in the center. Like that. And then I'm going to clean this brush off, and I'm going to pick up that Drunken Goat color and go along that outer edge and up to connect it out here, and then on the inner part of the eye. Like that. That is super pretty. So I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna hop off, I'm gonna finish it up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the finished look. I'll try to stand up a little bit so you can see my dress, but it's like a whole vibe. It's super cute. It's got like the tassels at the bottom. Super excited about it. So here we go. I love how it turned out. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. Make sure I don't have lipstick all over my teeth. So I'm gonna go ahead and close my eyes. I don't know if there's supposed to be a lot of shimmer and sparkle to this. I'm thinking not. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. Like, look. Super, super pretty. I really like it. So super, super pretty. I really like it. My lips took me forever, and so did my eyes, because I'm really annoyed because I can't find the brown one I have in the Makeup Forever Artist color pencil. I have a really deep dark brown that I really like, and I wanted to do that in the lower lash line and then use that to like deepen my lip liner. Because for some reason I don't have like a really deep lip liner, like a deep dark red lip liner, almost black. But then I was like, you know what? So hold up. I used this whatever black one in the lower waterline, and then I just did a very thin eyeliner on the top with my, I hate this name, Their Real Extreme Precision Liner by Benefit in the extra black. And then I put on these lashes. They're the Ardell lashes in Doll Look. These are Deer. They're so nice. Like, I don't even feel like you can really see them because they're full, but they're not thick. You know what I mean? But they give me like something. So I really like those. And then for the lips, I did a little combo situation, and it took me forever because I don't normally wear like red lipstick. It's a little outside my comfort zone. But like, I love it. I love the way it looks on other people and all of that. And I mean, it doesn't look bad now. I'm like super excited. I'm going to embrace it today and enjoy it. So I put on this P. Louise Shape of You liner. So it's a little bit of like a deeper reddish brown almost. So I lined my lips with that to get the foundation down. And then I lightly went in with the black around the edging and then patted it. And then I used my Urban Decay red lipstick and Bad Blood. So then just to kind of get it all blended together, just kept doing the process of lining a little bit and then doing it, because I feel like anytime I put on red, it ends up all over my face. I don't know why, I don't know what it is, but anyway, that's what I did for that. So I don't know, guys, this is so much fun. I'm so excited. So again, here's the palette. So far, I love it. I know, I'm sorry I could only use a couple shades today to show you, you know, what that looks like, but again, it was super fun. I can't wait to play with this again. I did order the Polar Express. Like, I wasn't gonna be able to pass that up. Like, I love the Polar Express. I have a thing for trains. I love Christmas, so it was like a win-win. And I love makeup, so it's like all the things I love in one. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have this palette and you love it, let me know. If you have this palette and you're like, man, let me know that too. I love talking to you guys. I love chit-chatting with you. You can reach out to me on my Instagram. It's always listed down there. It's Lotus Liner. Like, I think it's listed in the description, but I also put the little Instagram handle at the beginning of the video, so you can reach out to me on there. I love chatting with you guys there. I love chatting with you under the comments of the video. I do, and I hope all of you are well. I hope all of you, yeah, that you're well, you're happy, and you're healthy. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or evening or whenever you're watching this. You can see I'm kind of all over the place. I'm ready to go. I'm hungry, so I'm ready to go enjoy the day. Yeah, I hope I am able to put in a picture here. This is what we turned out like. Super fun. It was just such a good time. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day or evening or whenever you're watching this.